Let's do it.
Hey, we are back with another Gordon and Ramsay in 10. Today, we're gonna make his Thai style meatball lettuce wraps with crispy rice. So 10 minutes, starting the clock.
Let's do it. Let's do it this time, for real, like in 10 minutes.
For real.
That's
for
what
real.
I mean, let's do it.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make our meatballs. So he actually has he has ground pork, but he actually made his with ground lamb in his video. But I'm not a lamb person, so I'm doing pork. What are you doing?
Yeah, I don't do lamb because it's lamb, so I'm doing pork. And I know you can say stuff about the pork too, but I'm doing pork.
All right, we got no time for this. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
We need to salt, black pepper,
Probably why I take
chili flakes. And then he says in his video, he doesn't say it really like he calls it out, but he just said Thai paste. So yes. I did green paste, green curry paste, because I feel like that has a lot of the components of Thai foods. It's got lemongrass and some of the other great stuff.
I got wrong
And he looked like he put 2.
I got chili paste.
You got
because I thought I heard Thai chili paste, and then I remembered chili paste. So I don't have the right stuff. I got the wrong paste, is what I said.
That's okay, we don't get time. Okay, and then with that, he wants a little cilantro. I'm just gonna do a little because I'm not the biggest fan. So I just want the hint of flavor. I'm gonna stay true. If you don't know, we need 2 pans, one for the meatballs and then one for the crispy rice.
Yes.
Okay, so some coriander, and then he also zests in a little lime.
My favorite. I love zesting. Oh, so good.
He makes a lot of Asian food. Did you notice that?
I was wondering the same thing. No more talking. I got it.
Okay. No more talking. We gotta go. We are gonna make the 10 minutes. We've done 3 recipes. We've never made it.
All right, going in.
Okay, digging in. He mixes it really well. So we're gonna form our patties, and he said to do it in like the size of a golf ball, and then to pat it to make it a little more flat, so it cooks a little evenly.
Like a small hockey puck.
Yes.
And if you make it too thick, he says it's a nightmare to cook all the way through.
Gina, you're not gonna believe this. We're already 4 minutes down.
Okay. Did you see my last video?
Yes, I did.
I was terribly
22 minutes
late. I took way too long.
If you watch his video, he actually does it in less than 10 minutes.
He's talking, he's chopping. I wish I had a cameraman. Oscar, pan down, pan down.
All right, so I'm gonna add oil to my pan. I'm gonna put my little hockey pucks in. All right, the rice, a little oil. He said day-old rice. I made rice today and I actually just stuck it in the fridge. While that is cooking, don't touch it. We are going to cut up some chilies, a little couple red chilies for the color. It's a little cilantro.
3 parts. The meatball, the rice, and now the sauce, fish sauce. About a tablespoon. He adds a little bit of maple syrup.
Uh-oh, Gina. Time's up. Time is up. What is it? We just cannot do it. Okay, the sauce. Crushed peanuts. The half of a lime juice. Okay, let's check on our rice. Oh, I can't do what he does, where he's like, okay, let's see if I can do it. Oh, I did it! Yay! Oh no, I dropped some peppers on the floor. He adds some more lime zest.
All right, I gotta splash you guys. I don't even know what happened. It's just like, blah, 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 and then done.
All right, to assemble, we're just gonna take some of these small lettuce, add our meatballs, and then whatever vegetable topping that you like, and then a nice spoonful of that sauce.
I love this. A 10-minute dish for an elevated dish like this, I think is amazing.
I tell you what, it is all about that sauce. Woo. Dropping stuff everywhere. I love everything about this dish, except the 10 minutes. We couldn't do it. I think we end it here. We are not going to make a Gordon Ramsay dish in 10 minutes. We've stopped.
We can't do it. This would be fun to make if you had like a friend over. No?
Every video you're always talking about. This would be nice to have a friend over.
Do I really? I'm lonely. I miss my friends. I miss having people over to cry for help. Excellent. I say we failed on time. I think on all of the Ramsay and 10 videos, but we couldn't do it. It's a bit frantic, a little stressful, but everything we've made so far from his series, we gave it 2 thumbs up. We think it's so delicious, and we hope that you try one of them or all of them at your home. So thanks for joining, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time. Bye. All right, here we go. So we're gonna throw that in there. This is my sandwich. Looks